Hello my dear friends, welcome to our YouTube channel pharmajobballet.in. In this video we're going to see walk-in interviews from Ipca Laboratories that are going to be held on 1st May. So welcome to our YouTube channel, and if you are a new visitor, do subscribe. So coming to the vacancy detail, friends, they are hiring for quality assurance, formulation department, or active pharmaceutical ingredients and production department, or packaging or injection department. So the qualification they are looking for is B.Sc, M.Sc, B.E, B.Tech, B.pharma or M.pharma with 3 to 8 years experience. So let us see the individual job description details completely in this video, and if you want to see the venue details, you can directly skip the video to the end. So coming to the first one, for executive or senior officer or officer for quality assurance department, they are looking for candidates with 3 to 10 years of experience in IPQA Sterile, Qualification, Validation and Analytical QA, Stability Studies, Regulatory Affairs and Microbiological Risk Assessment, Market Complaint, QA Documentation, Exposure and QMS or Deviation. The required qualification is B.Sc, M.Sc, B.pharma or M.pharma. For quality assurance also same qualification is required. And coming to the next thing, for executive, senior officer or officer, injection or injectable formulation, required 3 to 10 years of experience in sterile area manufacturing, that is ampule and vial, shift supervision, knowledge of CAPA, OOT and online documentation as per SOP or BMR, batch manufacturing record. The instruments or equipments like autoclave, washing, filling and sealing machines, etc. and concern activities related to batch manufacturing, filling, labeling and cartooning, 2D sterilization, validation activities like media preparation, media filling. Qualification is B.Sc, M.Sc, B.pharma, M.pharma. So candidates may submit their CV for the following requirements. So these are the details. The venue is Ratlam, and the venue details is Amar Vilas Hotel, Chandra Nagar, AB Road, Indore, Madhya Pradesh. So the date of interview is already discussed, that is on 1st May. The timings are 10 AM to 5 PM. So as this is a walk-in interview, you need to visit physically to the venue at the specified times that is mentioned here on the screen, and you can also send your CVs to the following mail IDs, and you can also contact them for more details.